So this is today's flea market and social service shop haul. We went to the social service shop after the flea market in Bad Kreuznach. They always have really good prices on stuff. So altogether between the two places, we paid 15 at the social service shop and 12 at the flea market. So the first thing is this camera, this webcam. It's really old, but it's only 10 euros, and if it works for my husband's computer because he only has one in his laptop. And then this straw flower pattern platter, I just absolutely love because it matches my whole set of dishes. And then I also got at the flea market this set of spice jars, €1 each, so €7 for those. So the only problem is there's 2 cinnamons. And if anybody has a jar they'd like to trade for a cinnamon for one I don't have, I'd be happy to do a trade. And then this is hand stitched, this tablecloth that I got at the social service shop. I like how the thread is pulled through so that the table shows through the tablecloth. And this is the same deal, except this is machine stitched and then the thread pulled through. At the Flohmarkt, or the flea market, I also got this. This is for boiling egg. You crack the egg open inside of it, and you screw on the lid, and you submerge it in water and boil it like you would an egg. Then you can eat it directly out of the cup. This comes from the UK, and I've researched these quite a bit. I did pay €5, which probably is a little on the high side for what I preferred to spend, but it's not bad. And then the last thing I got was this little bitty salt shaker. And the reason I got that, I really wanted a set of 2 for salt and pepper, because this set I got in Holland last month, or maybe in August. It was in August. This egg set, it probably originally had little spoons for salt and pepper, which I'd be open to having also for that. But I got this to just set in there because I thought it was really cute like that. So, yeah, that's today's haul.